I decided to take the Sex and the City tour to follow in the footsteps of my 4 favourite female role models.
I'm on my road to 40, and I decided to have my girlfriends come out with me and celebrate.
I've got a friend in town. I actually live here in the city, and it's just a great way to enjoy our weekend here in New York City and celebrate one of the best shows on TV.
The character I identify most with?
Samantha!
Samantha. I think that's an easy one.
Probably elements of all of them in reality.
I think the tour is amazing. You get really good shots of the Sex and the City locations, and the tour guide is fantastic with all of her information and her questions.
The tour guide's absolutely brilliant, full of local knowledge, poignant moments in the show. It's a fantastic experience.